Assalamu alaikum student. Today's we start our new chapter number 2, kidney and excretion. What is meant by excretion? Excretion is defined as the removal of metabolic waste. And it's really important that you do state metabolic waste. Metabolic waste is the waste produced as a result of an organism's metabolic reaction. So, what are metabolic reactions? Well, metabolic reactions is the sum of all the chemical reactions taking place in an organism. And metabolic reaction can be catabolic and anabolic. Now, what are anabolic and catabolic? Anabolic and catabolic are two broad types of biochemical reaction that make up metabolism. And anabolic build complex molecules from simpler ones, while catabolic breaks large molecules into simpler one. It's important that you know the difference between the excretion and egestion. Now, excretion is not egestion. Remember, excretion is the removal of metabolic waste. But egestion is the removal of undigested, unabsorbed food. And this happens through the anus. Importance of excretion. Excretion is really important if you allow metabolic waste to build up. It can lead to sickness or death. Excretion is really important for maintaining constant internal environment. So keeping internal condition constant so that all your metabolic reactions can happen as they should. Now, student, some organs. The organs of excretion are crucial for this. So, the kidneys help to control waste content. The skin, well, through sweating, it helps in maintaining temperature regulation. The skin forms a continuous covering over the surface of body. It regulates the body temperature and also removal waste material in the form of sweating. Now, the lungs. The lungs helps with the removal of carbon dioxide. The breathing system and the organs involved in it. The lungs as a whole absorb oxygen during the process of inhalation and given out carbon dioxide and water vapors during the process of exhalation. Students, when the cell respire to produce energy, carbon dioxide is made as a waste product. If this carbon dioxide was allowed to build up inside the body, it would be harmful. The carbon dioxide is therefore carried to the lungs to breathe out. Now, when the animals remove harmful waste product made inside their bodies, these waste products are said to be excreted. And the removal of the feces or the waste material from the body is known as defecation. Now, students, this is all about the introduction of the excretion. and and organs which are involved in the excretion or the removal of waste product. In the next class, inshallah, we will discuss a new topic. Thank you.